What's up, gang? The Bass Fishing Dude here, back again with another video, and today's video is sponsored by the great people over at loader+kayak. Today we're going to show you guys how to rooftop load your kayak. I know a lot of people out there are always curious of how you transport your boat. Well, there's tons of options out there on the market to help you get your kayak from the garage, storage, whatever it may be, to the lake, to the water, wherever you want to fish. And all you need is a pool noodle and a rooftop rack system. There are multiple different brands of rooftop rack systems on the market. Austin Kayak carries a number of them. So by all means, please check out that link in the description and go over there and order you one if you don't already have one. But yeah, this process is extremely simple. It doesn't matter how tall you are. I know I'm 7 feet tall, so it may seem like it's a little bit easier. My truck is huge, but this can be done on a small sedan. It can be done on a small SUV. It can be done on everything up to a large pickup truck like mine with a rear camper on the back. So yeah, let's get over here and let's get this bad boy loaded up. I like to use a pool noodle with a ratchet strap in between it that's ran through it. This is what I use to actually protect the side of my vehicle to keep it from being scratched by the kayak whenever we're pushing it up on the side, on the roof of the vehicle. Quite simply, this is as easy as it gets. I mean, whenever you think about it, you'll be able to self-load any type of kayak, no matter what the weight of it is, no matter what your size or anything like that is. Very cut and dry. So we're gonna get this put up on the roof and we're gonna get this taken care of really quick. So you're simply gonna put your pool noodle or ratchet strap, you definitely wanna do this, up here on the roof, like so. You're gonna tighten the tension down on this so that it creates a saddle like this here. And what that saddle is gonna do is gonna allow the kayak to lean up against the side of your vehicle without scratching up the side of your vehicle itself. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your boat to about right at the front of your boat up to right around where your wheel is. That's gonna line up right in the middle of your rack. Push this back just a smidge. This is definitely easier to do on grass. I mean, you can do it on concrete as well, but grass will keep you from scarring up your boat. So, take it just like that. You're gonna lean the boat up against the side of your vehicle just like so. And you're gonna grab the front of your kayak, push up, rotate, and voila. That's how you rooftop load a kayak. Doesn't matter the weight of the boat, doesn't matter how tall you are, how strong you are. Simple as that. Get you some straps, strap it down. Simple as that, guys. Check out austinkayak.com, grab your roof rack, get you some straps, get you a boat, get it loaded up on top of your vehial. That Bass Fishing Dude out. Peace!